Hey guys, this is an amazing feeling that one of my student from South Africa, she has done this project for a cleaning solution company, and she has designed this website using the Astra theme, and mostly none of the paid plugins are used on both the websites. So she has worked on two websites. The one that you're looking at is having a nice header with a slider, and the slider is created using Smart Slider 3. So a nice little animation here, and you will see the services part. It has a bubble. When you take a cursor over there, it moves either vertically or horizontally. So this again is showing the services part, and this has a very good animation. The boxes show how the services are, and why the customers can choose the services of this company. So this is again a very good animation. Amazing it is. This is the footer section. If we look at the second website, it's a single page website. Again, starts with a nice slider. Then you will see the section where you can learn more about the company. The next part is the solutions provided by the company. And the interesting thing is this: if you hover over any of the boxes, you will see a very good backlight kind of a effect, which is achieved by using free resources almost. Again, the team section, and it has the boxes with the background kind of thing. The next one is a video added for explaining the services of the company, and here you will see the partners of the company, the contractors section, and a nice footer. So this one is a single page, so it has the text anchor very nicely done. So if you click on any of the buttons in the header, it takes you to the particular part of the page. So very nicely done, and quite impressive designing done by my student. So if you would also like to learn about WordPress web designing, I am having online sessions as well as my YouTube channel teaches about web designing. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can ping me for the next live session, and I will inform you back. Thank you.